Hi boss, one quick question. Do you think normal films can produce such adorable doors? Let's make it simple. Choose Wally's 3D blister French films, any curve, any shape. Wally's films can fit them all. Look at the edge and corner and the glue positions. No wrinkles, no cracks. Of course, Wally's French films can not only be used for 3D vacuuming, but also it has a very special function. Self-repair. You must wondering how. Let's start a small test. Let's prepare a small cup of hot water. Next, let's make some scratches on the membrane. See? We grab a clean tissue and dip the hot water and wipe it. Ta-da! Scratches disappear. Wally's 3D French films, we have numerous colors and we can customize based on your requirements. With your size and with your thickness. Also have good reputation on the market and we have stable lead time. Follow us and contact us for more details.